If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And like our channel.
And like our channel and subscribe to our channel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And hit
Okay.
the notification bell.
All right. Good morning, everyone. So, Miss Olivia wants grilled cheese for breakfast. I'm going to use a grilled cheese bag. It's a toaster bag. Has anyone ever used these? They're awesome. So you want to use a very, very thin layer of butter when you use these. Very, very thin. Put it in the toaster for 3 minutes. Three minutes in the toaster. Grilled cheese in a bag.
Fresh from the toaster.
Fresh from the toaster.
Oh!
Grilled cheese toaster bags.
If you,
If you like our channel, hit the like button and
subscribe and like our video.
subscribe and like our video.